It's about time that we played a different note, which is exactly what's going to happen in this lesson. The new note is called A and is located on the string next to the E string, and is called, unsurprisingly, the A string. The note A is higher than the E, as you can see in the score, because it only needs 2 ledger lines to be notated. The note head is placed on the 2nd ledger line, whereas the E note head was placed just below the 3rd ledger line. In the tablature, you can see that the 2nd string is struck, and the 0 indicates that the left hand still has nothing to do. You pluck the open string. And this is what it sounds like if I play half notes. Be sure to pluck the A string exclusively without touching any adjacent strings. This is a bit more difficult because you do not have as much space on the left side of the string compared to the E string. Once you feel that you've got the hang of it, try to execute the lesson without looking at the guitar. This will improve your awareness of the instrument and also help to build confidence in your right hand. In the next song, we will play quarter and half notes using the note A. Let me show you what it sounds like with the playback.